Welcome to the future of education. Here at the Specialist of Enterprise Corporations Administration of the U.S. Council of the Department of Urban Living Organization and Dual Team, we have been working on something very special for you. The Keye Academy is a learning management system, LMS, that serves as this institution of higher education. It's the education system of the future is like nothing you've seen before. It's all about getting you ready to kick some serious butt in this ever-evolving world. So, what's all the buzz about the Keye Academy? Well, let me spill the beans. This isn't your grandpa's type of old-school education. We've chucked out the boring lectures and stuffy textbooks. Instead, we're all about hands-on learning, real-world skills, and giving you the tools to thrive, no matter what curveballs life throws your way. Here's the scoop. The Keye Academy is all about equipping you with the mad skills and knowledge you need to conquer the 21st century. We've got the latest tech gizmos, top-notch instructors who know their stuff, and a curriculum that's as flexible as your favorite yoga instructor. You get to pick and choose what you want to learn, at your own pace, and in a way that suits you best. But hold on, there's more. We know that learning isn't just about cramming facts into your noggin. It's also about building character, honing those soft skills, and becoming a well-rounded superstar. That's why, in our full education system, we've got a whole bunch of extracurricular activities, mentorship programs, and business opportunities to help you grow into the best version of yourself. So, whether you're into coding, cooking, or conquering the cosmos, the Keye Academy has got you covered. Put those dull lectures behind you and welcome the most exciting world and opportunity that the world has ever seen. The future of education is here, and it's looking brighter than ever. Join us on this epic learning adventure, and let's rock this brave new world together. Stay informed with the administration of the U.S. Council of the Department of Urban Living Organization. What is the administration of the U.S. Council? The administration of the U.S. Council is like the backbone of the Department of Urban Living Organizations and Dual Team within the Specialist of Enterprise Corporation. The administration is responsible for ensuring the smooth and efficient functioning of the Department of Urban Living Organizations, Dual Team, and all departments of the Specialists of Enterprise Corporation. The administration's council and sponsors are comprised of knowledgeable and diligent individuals dedicated to launching your business, advancing your education and interests, and fostering cooperation and partnership within an MLM. Let's take a closer look at what they do. We'll look at two things. First, what is the work of the administration, consultants, and sponsors? What is the job of the council? A counsel is a professional who is qualified to advise and assist clients with legal and other business-related issues. This type of professional is also known as a counseling consultant or a guidance advisor. When you become a sponsor in our organization or become part of our Dual Team, you become eligible for the services of our consultants within the Specialist of Enterprises LLC company venture. Our consultants are trained professionals who utilize their expertise and skills to help individuals navigate through difficult situations, make informed decisions, and achieve personal growth and development. As humans, we often encounter various life obstacles that may overwhelm us or leave us in a state of confusion. These challenges can range from relationship issues, career dilemmas, mental health concerns, academic struggles, grief and loss, and many other trying circumstances. It is during these times that conversations play a crucial role in offering a safe and non-judgmental space for individuals to express their thoughts, emotions, and concerns. Counsels use a wide variety of strategies and methods to assist their clients in overcoming the challenges they face and accomplishing the goals they have set for themselves. They are skilled in active listening, empathetic understanding, and providing unbiased perspectives that enable individuals to gain clarity and find effective solutions. They work together with their customers to determine the fundamental problems that are holding their businesses back, and then they devise solutions and plans of action that will help them grow their companies in a resilient and constructive manner. In addition, one of the primary benefits of using our service is the opportunity to develop one's own sense of identity and self-awareness. By the end of the process, people will have a better understanding of how they think, feel, and act in relation to their life's purpose, giving them the power to make more deliberate decisions that will bring them closer to their goals. Counsels assist their clients in achieving their goals by helping them identify and build on their strengths, increase their resilience, and improve their communication and problem-solving skills. In addition, the Specialist of Enterprises consultants put their clients' well-being and financial security at the forefront of everything they do. Our consultants can be a valuable ally on your path to success as an entrepreneur, whether you are seeking personal growth, launching a new business, or simply needing to grow your existing business. This can be the case regardless of whether you are seeking to grow your business or yourself. With their support, guidance, and expertise, you can gain clarity, develop coping strategies, and create positive change in your life. Counsels gives them the advantage they need to prevail in a challenging, stressful world. They care deeply about their clients' success as individuals and as businesses, and they do everything in their power to help their customers achieve those goals. Therefore, think about contacting a counsels if you are experiencing personal or professional difficulties. With their expertise, you can embark on a journey of self-discovery, healing, and transformation. Remember, seeking support is not a sign of weakness but rather a courageous step towards a brighter future. What is some departments within the administration of the U.S. Council? Department of Finance. The Finance Department oversees the Council's budget and financial resources. They are responsible for financial planning, budget allocation, and monitoring expenditure, ensuring that the Council's fiscal health remains strong. With a keen eye for detail, this department ensures the effective allocation of resources to support the Council's various programs and initiatives. Department of Finance Human Resources. The Human Resources Department is dedicated to managing the Council's most valuable asset, its people. Through recruitment, training, and employee support programs, they ensure that the Council attracts and retains a highly skilled, diverse, and motivated workforce. Additionally, the HR team handles employee relations, payroll, and benefits administration, fostering a positive and inclusive work environment. Department of Communications. The Communications Department plays a crucial role in maintaining a strong public image for the Council. They develop and implement strategic communication plans, disseminate information to the media and the public, and oversee the Council's online presence and social media platforms. This department also works closely with other organizations and stakeholders to foster effective partnerships and promote the Council's objectives. Department of Policy Coordination. Policy coordination is a key responsibility of the administration, ensuring that the Council's initiatives align with the broader policies and objectives of the United States. Working closely with government agencies, policymakers, and stakeholders, this department ensures that the Council's programs and initiatives are in line with national priorities. They also provide strategic advice and support to the President and other decision-makers within the Council, ensuring that policy development and implementation are consistent and impactful. Department of Program Management. Program management is a critical function within the Council's administration. This department oversees the planning, execution, and evaluation of various programs and initiatives. They monitor progress, evaluate outcomes, and ensure that the Council's projects are successful in achieving their intended objectives. This includes coordination with partner organizations, management of grants and funding, and fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing among key stakeholders. The Office of the Administration. Overall, the administration of the U.S. Council plays a vital role in supporting the organization's mission to advance American interests and promote international cooperation. They work diligently to ensure efficient operations, manage finances, support a skilled and diverse workforce, maintain strong public communications, align with national policies, and successfully implement programs and initiatives. Through their dedication and expertise, the administration team contributes to the Council's effectiveness and impact locally and globally. Thanks for watching.